Engineers, ready. We're not fucking mitching, David. We're taking that position.
Australian light infantry, available to deploy.
Location sighted. Moving to secure.
Royal Engineers, yeah? Eyes open, guns up. We're taking that position.
You need light infantry? We'll have it in no time at all. Time to make a name for ourselves. What have you got?
What's the task? Position's ours. Spark up while there's time.
We hear you've got trouble. Where are we going? Oh, good on you, mate. We've captured it.
Sappers, eager as we'll ever be.
The lads are accounted for. Hop to it. Sit tight.
Sappers, little stroll into Jerry's line.
Royal Engineers, Australian infantry are in reserve.
Should have told them to subscribe, not just thank you for watching, you know?
Now.
And here we go. Stop in now, huh? Stop in. No, it's not tea time.
Aussie rats here. Raising the colours.
Sappers, on ground needs taken, boyos.
Yeah, right. Yep.
We have infantry support. Australians.
Alright, thanks, Xander. What's up? It's quite bad today.
Lads are boss man says.
Awaiting orders. Get moving. Orders. Shut your fucking gob.
Now, do you guys think I can attack this building from a blind spot?
Awaiting instructions. Take the position, Sappers. Like you need
Rifles up. Arse in gear. Where are we going? Setting our sights and moving out. Wait, infantry closing on us. Listen up. Open fire. Enemy rifles. They're having a go. Taking hold.
Australian infantry are in reserve.
Infantry! They won't let this go without a fight. Coordinates received.
Position taken. Tidy.
Right infantry. Here. Taking enemy territory.
Australian infantry support is reporting in.
God damn it! Tooth and nail! Man down! Secure it!
Orders rorting.
Desert rats! Securing supplies here! Come on! We're taking losses here! Get out of there! Retreat!
Sappers receiving out.
We hear you've got trouble.
Jerry, he's done too, please. Take cover. Under enemy fire. Sappers, we're taking losses. Section C, awaiting instructions. Back, fucking
Got him on the back foot!
Going to force the squad away. Maybe we either.
Get back! Head for HQ!
We can do that. Royal Engineers, time to march.
Australian infantry are in reserve.
Lads are accounted for. Securing location. Aussies taking ground. What have you got? Making headway to the target. Oz waiting on your word.
Got a lot of reinforcing to do.
Where are we going? No time for a shit and a shave.
Sappers, reporting. We're needed elsewhere, lads. We're taking that position. Sappers, pack it up, lads. We're moving. What's the task? String up this area, lads. Wire in position. That should be a
What have you
nuisance.
Slowing down my tick, slowing down my pulsing.
The lads are accounted for.
Sappers,
That was a
eager
little
as we'll ever
too
be.
easy, hey?
Barbed wire's down, as instructed. I want barbed wire on this position.
The enemy have taken our territory.
Aussie rats here. All right, moving forward.
Sap, that capture point needs to be ours, right? On it. Starting construction of the...
Cowards are shooting at us! Shoot back!
Stuff us, yeah? They're breaking through us, yeah? Get it, Jerry's got it in for us!
Location sighted!
Apparently it's better over there! Move! Awaiting orders!
You need light infantry? Rifles up, asses in gear!
We're under fire! Mike, run, Sappers! Run!
Where are we? Setting our sights and moving out.
I know there's a machine gun somewhere, right?
Maintain distance!
Pretty bad idea to close in on me there.
Grenade! You lollygaggers! Heads down! Light infantry
Not if I
in the
help in the tactical map where I see through the grenade though.
The
17-pounder and Bofors emplacements are available for construction.
Making headway to the target.
Sappers like shit through back at full strength.
Enemy rifles! We're having a go! Maintain distance! Infantry! Ships, get out of here!
A victory point is being overrun.
He's dead! Jerry's pushing the line!
CMP truck. The enemy has our victory point now.
Listen up! All of you!
Sappers, go on, Sappers. Get to follow it. Job for us. I'll do it now. Building a field
Making
infirmary.
headway to the target.
Now then.
Operate those.
Aussie's here!
I could come up here and reinforce the squad, but I actually kind of want to retreat it to heal it, so...
Not had orders in your move back now. Riot regroup at base, Sappers.
Enemy infantry!
That's what's happening right now.
We're losing a munitions
He's gone
point.
for early Vet 1 on the Peregrines, so...
Orders done. Back up! Back us up! Back, rock! Take it steady! We're actually getting the fuck out of here!
Trouble!
You know, that had squad my potential written all over it.
From them!
Let's get rolling, lads.
Where are we going?
Sappers, receiving orders.
Setting our sight. What have you got? Follow the leader!
Territory lost. Ready for war. Pulling over.
You need light infantry?
Sappers, eager as well. Time to march,
The
boys.
lads are accounted for. Aussie's taking ground and march!
Enemy ground forces have claimed a sector.
Maybe the time for a mortar. Cheeky little mortar, innit?
Aussie rats here! Making headway to good on you, mate. We've captured it. Recon's a good job, mate. Patch of dirt. Be ready.
You're the boss.
We finished our orders.
Sir, Sappers ready. Secure that position.
Aussie rats here. Rifles up, asses in gear.
A mortar team is awaiting orders.
Taking fire.
Vehicle needs a heading.
Clear that wall. Listen up. Pin him down.
We finished our orders.
Heard the commander.
Get to it. Throw us up. Flash engage.
Right away. Here.
Orders done. Fight. Fight. Black rock. Taking damage. It's done, sir. Chop fucking chop. Infantry friendly. We're losing a victory point. Troopers are in a right state. Commander. Orders done.
Before they notice.
We read you! Come on! Victory point lost. The enemy has control.
Royal Engineers, yeah?
A sector is in
Oh, he
enemy
isn't.
control.
He's in the building, but in the wrong building. Whereas this one, he's in this one.
What have you got? Stealing it out from under them.
Is it load bearing?
Lads, infantry closing on
The
us.
Bosch hold all victory points. Act now!
Sappers,
the-
off your asses. Move.
Sappers there.
Royal Engineers, we've got orders to move.
You have command points available.
Oh, it's getting a bit laggy here, boys.
The 15 CWT truck has been wrecked by the enemy.
Commander, Infantry closing on us! Like we've never marched before! Come on! Give it a little haste! He's fucking gone! He's here! Come on, we wait! Enemy fire! Head for fucking bad!
Sappers on site.
Fall back! Definitely! We're on it!
What's the task? That capture point needs to be ours, right?
Maintain distance!
Royal Engineers,
Infantry!
ground needs taking, boys.
Enemy rifles! They're having a go! Get back! Head for HQ! Yeah, sure. We'll just lug this thing around.
Supplies aren't making it back to HQ.
Oh,
Lines
I lost my
cut.
posting before I
No time
got
for
over up here
shit,
again.
Dave. You're with us.
Shovels out, boys.
Sucks.
Company command wants
We
their
hear
post
you've got
here.
trouble. All right, moving forward.
Sappers, little stroll into Jerry's line. Nothing to worry about.
Grab your gear.
On to seize action! Forwards, lads.
The enemy has pushed us back from our sector.
Thought had order. We're not fucking bitching, David. We're taking that
A
position.
bit muni styled at the moment, I'm feeling.
Damnation! The sector's in
I've
enemy
had to control
hands.
these.
3-inch, ready, weapon team. Move it. The lad, enemy strategic point. Neutralize infantry.
We've lost a sector.
Listen up, gents. Relocating.
Sappers, ready. That capture point needs to be ours, right?
What have you quit, you
The beggars are threatening a victory point.
Some Aussies. Making headway to the target. The lads are accounted for.
Victory point belongs to the enemy.
Moving on you, mate. We've captured it. Hold it! Nobody moves an inch! Get out of here! Retreat! Where are we going? Bring in the scope with you.
Anti-tank crews are on standby for orders.
Infantry closing on us! Lay into them! Get back! Head for HQ!
Sappers, receiving orders.
Okay, scouting the fuel.
Ready for trouble. Are you on us?
We're losing a munitions point to enemy action.
Trails. Grab your gear.
We've lost the sector to the enemy.
Ready. Give him a hand. No time for shit to shave. You're with us.
I think we stall for a Matilda here.
Sector overrun. The enemy has it.
Down the retreat, Sappers. Hey,
Lads are rifles up. Asses in gear. We hear you've got trouble. Moving into enemy territory.
Territory sector lost, Commander.
upgrades here.
6-pounder anti-tank gun, ready.
Let's get some blisters for your blisters. Making headway to the target.
Round needs taken, boyos. Get to your
You need light
The
infantry.
beggars are threatening a munitions point. Sector lost.
It's a
Repeat.
squad-wide
Sector lost.
situation he's asking for down there.
What have you got? The lads are accounted for. Quit your lollygagging and march.
We're taking that position.
We hear you've got trouble. Forward. Time to hunt. Aussie here.
Show that here, boyos. Hold the position. Cavalry can't be too far off.
Come on, quickly. Take this round in.
Hold the position. Cavalry can't be too far off.
Enough firepower, eh? Maybe if I had the accuracy bonus.
Listen up. Get it captured. Marching.
A munitions point is being
Training.
overrun.
We're taking that position.
Aussie rat. Nobody move. Fire.
Bandauer, fire it. Actually, Sappers, we're moving. No, just bloody stop, will you? Away.
We're losing a victory point to enemy action.
Put the sweeper away. It's no use here.
We've lost a sector to the enemy. Victory point is in enemy hands.
Where are we going? Boss man says rifles up, asses in gear.
Sappers, reporting. Well, it was comfy in here. Let's go.
Setting our sights and moving out.
We're not fucking mitching, David.
AT gun, you got orders?
Hold it, gents. The lads are accounted
Get
for.
2 squads here.
Matilda infantry support available for orders.
Enemy tank taking an interest. Like we've never known.
Our opponent is in control of all victory points.
Come on, give it a little haste.
Tell driver, let the devil know we're coming.
What have you got? All right, moving forward.
Hey, T-gun, you got orders? We're moving, lads.
Our talents are needed.
We hear you've
Samples
got Whitney
reported.
lollygagging and march.
We get going,
Get
driver.
it, Nancy.
Jerry's not giving up without a fight. We're down to 300 points.
You all take a leg.
Ready to cause some grief.
Who's got more rounds?
The enemy has claimed a sector.
Hey, T-gun, stay up here.
You have 3 command points. A capture point is being overrun.
Let's go.
Territory lost. Getting traction! We've hit our bloody monster! We can conduct supply runs to secure additional resources. Reverse!
Orders, sir. Move back. Hold still, will you? Contact with the enemy.
Infantry.
The enemy is pushing hard. We're down to 250 points.
Run!
What you got? Marching there.
Take cover. Under enemy fire, yeah?
Matilda, heavy drive.
Sappers, secure that position. Drive them out.
We're roaring to go.
Taking that location.
Queen advance and keep
Hey,
an
T,
eye
pushing
out.
on with the attack.
Where are we going?
Matilda, we're moving, laddies. Loaded and initiating rollout of battlefield commissions for the men.
We're roaring to go. 6 pound
On your
deploying
back
from
up.
cover here.
Move!
Get it. Repair work. Under fire, no less.
You need light infantry?
A section of guards have been deployed.
Setting our sights and moving out. Aussie
Real
rats.
quick.
Training complete. Our infantry will be better prepared.
It needs to be ours,
What
right?
have you got? Requesting a wrecking lads are accounted for. See if we can't get a sight line.
Orders. Jump to it, lads. Quit mucking about. Orders are up to it, lads. One
Here
foot
you've
after the
got
other.
trouble. Aussie rats here. Securing supplies from Jerry. With me, lads.
Can I not see
Inside.
more out of that building?
Start getting to work.
Look lively, lads.
Sector overrun. The enemy has it.
Rifle! They're having a go.
Is it load bearing?
Packages here.
A job that needs doing.
Aye, target
Come on,
got work to do, lads.
Matilda, head north! Well, that's going to leave a mark.
Let's do the trade.
Matilda is shot driver! Go ahead!
Taking fire.
Found and waiting on you. Behind the shield.
Orders, sir.
Engage! Watch for rocket fire!
Promotion.
We're down to 200 points. Anti-tank fire! Make a move! Australian weapon crew lost.
We're losing ground.
Report. One of our anti-tank guns is gone.
They're having a go.
The thing is, it just doesn't even matter that much because they had so much manpower left over.
Hush up. It'll be ours.
Easy as that is.
Sappers on some. Let me guess. We should see the other
What
guy.
if you can make it quick before they notice? Infantry closing on us. Light infantry.
Enemy ground forces have claimed a sector.
Infantry.
They seem to be shooting at us.
We need breathing space, if you please.
We hear you've got that. We need it back in sight.
Army firing on us. Mark, Sappers.
Move,
Fall back
move,
now.
station.
I'm waiting. Yeah, we're moving.
Heavy tank at the ready. Anti-tank weapon and crew on the field. Give us the mission. We have a new destination, lads.
Matilda's not getting the hits I need it to at the moment, though.
Open, guns up.
Back up, chaps. Point taken.
Needed
As
elsewhere,
ordered.
lads.
That's right.
Where's the bloody target? Matilda taking minor damage. Getting traction.
It's match when you alarm them.
Mr. Churchill has order. Hold the distance. Give us cut and run.
Right on cue.
He's found Jerry. He's
Ready to cause some grief. Matilda in driver. Give us a wee bit of distance.
All right, spit it out. We're going to him. Pasha, enemy rifle.
The sector is in enemy control.
Like we've never stop and wait.
Ready for trouble. Orders have been ordered to advance.
The beggars are threatening a victory point.
Look, cease your action.
Infantry. Come on, give it a potato masher.
Victory point under enemy control.
Invitation. Get bloody going.
Whatever it takes. Rifles up, ass here.
We're losing a munitions point to enemy action.
They are. We've got work to do. What's the way, Scanner? Enemy squad firing at us. Ah, yes.
Grant medium tanks are being called to the front.
Movement order, guards.
Another drops are not going my way.
Shit.
Territory sector lost, Commander.
Marching. Machine gun. We're in range.
We're losing a capture point. The boys can handle it.
Right, round needs to be more oil.
The sooner we move. Requisition of grants complete, Commander. The enemy have taken our territory.
Cover you both.
We have a surplus of command points, Commander.
There's two of them, eh?
Let me guess. We should see the other guy.
You got two of them, eh?
Enemy strategic point. Neutralize it. What have you securing supplies from Jerry? Where are we going?
Well, might be time for a second mortar.
We're having a go. Get in the herd. Finish. Here you've got trouble.
Don't know what battle group he's gone for. I don't think we've seen anything from this battle group so far.
Sappers, eager to shift some dead weight. Royal Engineers here.
Infantry. Moving back. That's it. Infantry.
Mortar tube and crew are available.
Gone for grants. Yeah, I think I should go for grants.
Is it load bearing?
There's a job that needs doing.
Ground needs taking, boys. Sappers, shut it.
What was that guy doing?
Come on, crew. We can sleep tomorrow.
To go. 600 employees.
Easy fire. Hit in our hole. On your feet. Enemy on the flank. We're losing a victory point to enemy action.
Sappers.
They've cut us off. Territory's out of supply. Victory point belongs to the enemy.
You guys not both on control 4? What the fuck happened to that control group binding on there?
I know. Just move.
New orders coming in, men.
What have you got? Making headway to the target.
The beggars are threatening a munitions point.
Get to it. Weapon team.
A victory point is being overrun.
Omni-Rat setting our sights and make it quick before they notice.
Guards awaiting orders, sir.
Victory point under enemy control.
Boss man
Come on,
said stop.
destination, lads.
Stand by the tube. What have you, Gaza?
A Grant medium tank is reporting in.
All right, raise in the cover.
All right, lads, settle. We're moving out.
You need
No
luck
bloody
stealing it out
sniping.
from under them.
Advancing to attack.
Commander, enemy forces hold all victory points.
Infantry closing on us. Push up. Go for the head.
Give them a quick jab.
Boys have got it.
Hey! Infantry attacking us!
Trails. Under fire. Swine.
Nation's forces!
Up on marching. Under fire.
We have command points available for use.
Finally. Fucking
Open up with 75! Keep us steady!
hands up.
Any tanks giving us quality!
Bloody show these wankers how we fight. Aussies here.
We've 100 points left.
Infantry getting shot. See that?
Aim to bomb
Beat Stafford. Fall back now.
Enemy rifles. They're having
The enemy has pushed us back from our sector.
Maintain distance. Infantry.
Patching it up now.
Right, pack it up again. Moving on. Enemy fire. That's fucking bad. Listen up. All of your nail lads. There's a ground.
Let's get the job done.
Matilda, getting there.
Orders. We'll get it done.
Commander, we're taking enemy territory. Enemy tanks.
Yeah, that's what I was worried about.
Leaving space, if you please.
Man down.
Archer TDs ready for construction.
Up, gents. Orders here. Sure.
We're losing a fuel
I
point.
might even withdraw this.
Ready for
It's not high in Vietnam that I need it right now.
We're losing a munitions point. Sector lost. Repeat, sector lost. Our anti-tank gun crew has been killed. We've lost a sector. Congratulations, Commander. Tiger destroyed.
Alright, lost my AT gun.
We're losing a victory
Top guard
point.
survived, luckily.
Present rush. Come on, give it a little haste.
Victory point is in enemy hands.
Here, blisters.
Lead on, David.
Let's fall back. On us. Marching. 3-inch, ready.
Time to march,
Fire
boys.
infantry. Here. They won't let us.
The enemy have taken our territory.
You need some Aussies.
Sappers. Ready to destroy.
Relocation.
Good as new.
Get this
Repairs
place
finished.
locked down. This is it. Get a cap.
The enemy has claimed a sector.
Clear the way. What's the time? Back it up, lads.
Mucking
We're
about.
moving. Move
Orders
back
are
now.
incoming. We'll tackle it.
I killed all the mines over there.
Archer here. Close the axis now.
Right, spit it out.
Man, a bit of dog.
Lord, we're
Steal
taking
this
back
AT gun.
position. Get to your orders.
Ready. Finish.
Got trouble.
Damnation. The sector's in enemy hands. All right, gunners. Our victory point is being overrun.
Get that location.
Area's secure.
Maintain distance. Infantry.
Get it out. Come on, Bastard.
The enemy has our victory points now.
Shut orders. Take
Aussies here.
Where'd you want the big gun?
Boy, we're all tore up. Taking fire. Awaiting orders. Move, boys.
Aussie weapons.
Grant medium tank available for use.
They're accounted for.
Eyes open, guns up. What's the target? Come on, sappers. Get to following.
Tea time's over, chaps.
Archer here. Right. Let's get moving.
All right.
Aussie ref location sighted. Moving to secure. 3-inch. Ready? Weapon team! We hear you waiting here! Infantry closing on us! Right infantry, make it hole!
Moving anyway. Find a bump. The beggars are threatening a victory point. Victory point lost. The enemy has control.
Weapon team, standing by!
Right, forward. Nice and easy tank.
Gary's got it in for us.
I say! It's on them to shoot!
Well, it's not really the way that I want to be going, but maybe Australians can intercept.
We're ready to secure that position. Stafford.
Oh, I fucking missed it. Anyway, it's a relief.
We're in now. Awaiting instruction. I don't like it. Take cover. Under enemy fire, yeah?
Aussie rats, he's securing location!
Driver.
Taking it from them!
Stafford, sir.
Team moving as quick as we can!
Territory lost.
Stafford. Taking hits. Enemy
Aussie making...
The beggars are threatening a fuel point.
Welcome to the show.
Infantry! He's dead! Pasha, hide your shot!
I think I need a Crusader to control the flanks a bit better here.
A munitions point has been overrun. We've lost a sector. We've lost the sector to the enemy. Give us bloody orders!
Welders out. Get to repair. Get on it.
Light infantry have a job! Infantry closing on us!
Orders, chaps! Get to it, lads!
We hear you've got trouble!
Pull out the sweep. We're not fucking mitching, David. We're taking that position.
That was a little too easy.
Receiving, in you go!
What have you
Don't
got?
hang about
Enemy
like
strategic
blasted
point!
civilians.
A-15 Crusader is on station and ready for orders.
Get to it!
Patching it up now.
New orders coming
Good
in,
as
then.
new. Repairs.
Tank down! Tank!
We've got one. We've outstayed our welcome.
Man down!
Welcome onward to our destination.
Repairs finished.
Got orders!
Hold your horses!
Right, let's be up, chaps.
Aussie's taking ground!
Driver, stop! Wait, chaps.
Enemy rifles! They're having a go! Finish! We've got ourselves a reputation! No time to wait! Infantry! There!
Keeping a low profile. Infantry targets. Keep them hang. Yeah, come in.
Aussie taking enemy!
Infantry darts overseas.
Aussie down! Take the shot!
Sappers. Ready to just repair work. Under fire.
Keep wiping them.
What have you got? Sit tight! Let's get some blisters!
Jerry has 300 points remaining.
Oh, he blitzed for that.
Sapper, let me guess. We should see the other guy.
We hear you've got location sighted! Moving to secure! Alright, move!
Well, it's time. Like shit through a goose. Move.
You need light? Setting our sights and moving out. Where are we
Pretty
going?
laggy though.
Big gun.
Good as new. Repairs finished. Patching it up now.
Ord, sit down. Get to work.
Lads making headway to the target. Aussie Rat.
Crusader cruiser finished.
Not had order. Shut it. Complain. Oh, he did it. Oh, fuck a duck. Armor's firing on him.
I think we're getting you. We have our destination, lads.
Mate? All right. Which one of
Sappers
you
receiving any guess? You didn't see the other guy.
What, you can't find anyone else? 80 rounds incoming!
Lads, heading out. That's right. Advancing.
Stop, pack it up, lads. We're moving.
Where are we going?
Get on! Hold it,
Let's get a ladder on.
We hit. Follow the leader.
Yeah, that's
Sappers,
me.
we're patching it up now.
What's the word? Let's move, guys! The beggars are threatening a munitions point. The Bosch are losing ground. Down to 250
What?
points now.
I don't want to fucking crew that.
One of our anti-tank guns has been destroyed. Sector lost. Repeat. Sector lost.
Good as new. Repairs finished. Patching it up now. Sappers ready. Bud, wait, gunners. Royal Engineers, ready.
Ready to fend off any Jerry bastard that gets in our way.
Come on! Give us more haste!
Receiving your action station. Take the enemy sector. Pull them out. Get it done.
A munitions point is being overrun. Crusader tank knocked out. Guards, the Tiger Terror is no more. We're losing a victory point to enemy action. Yeah, we're ready. Get us out of here! Reverse!
Waiting orders.
Victory point belongs to the enemy.
Stay back! Back it up! Alright, spin it out! Aussie Rat setting our sights and moving out. Breaker! Push them back!
We're losing a strategic point to enemy action.
Enemy rifle! They're having a go! Coordinates received! Lads are accounted for. Come on, boys. Let's find them first. Listen up! Moving! That's it, lads! Infantry dead!
The enemy has pushed us back from our sector.
That's it, lads! Promotion! Like we've never marched before! Fail! Fail! He's got us for it! Got the bucket! Get back!
Archer, here's you. Loud and clear. Reverse up. Get us clear.
That's my
The
foot guards
sector
there,
is
but
in enemy control.
not the end of the world.
Grab your gear!
I might withdraw this Crusader. Don't want that anymore. Want grants again.
Aussie Rats here! They won't see this coming!
Right. Let's get moving. We're losing a victory point.
Good as new. Repairs
You
finished.
need light infantry? Quit your lollygagging and raise in the colours!
Recover that AT gun
Victory
again.
point lost. The enemy has control.
No time for a shit to shave. Listen, lads are accounted for. All right, moving forward. Enemy rifles! They're having a go! Marching! Capture it! Whatever it takes!
A Grant medium tank is reporting in. Getting some distance.
Aussie Rat! Aussie's taking ground! Ready!
Infantry closing on us.
Sapper, we've got orders to move. So move. And here we go.
Lads are accounted for. Like we've never marched before! Let's get this place
There's our victory point now.
Time to march, boys. Come on.
Jerry 18!
Doesn't run. Aussie's on the line. Fighting for the
See it on those AT guns. It's so crazy, man.
We're taking losses here.
Need more foot guards, I think.
Come on, give it a little haste.
Maybe another sapper as well.
We're securing supplies from Jerry. No, we're failing. Lads are accounted for. Listen up, gents. Orders here.
We're losing a victory point to enemy action.
Where are we? Making headway to the target.
Let's get moving. Victory point is in enemy hands.
Location.
Royal Engineers on the field and ready for your orders.
What have you got with you, lollygagging, and march? Here you've got trouble. You need light infantry to the target. Attack formation. Keep your spacing. Get on with it. Coordinates received.
I say, we have guards on standby.
Mighty time to make a name for ourselves.
We're losing a munitions point.
Come on, give it a little haste.
Sappers, are you gonna shift some dead weight?
All right, moving forward. Where are we going?
Hey, what's gotta move, Jack?
Aussie
Territory sector The beggars are threatening a victory point.
All right, moving
Sappers
forward.
reporting. Patching it up now.
Where are we? Rifles up, asses in gear.
Victory point under enemy control.
Infantry! Get quick before they notice. Huck up! Evacuate! Stand up! He's gunning for it! Listen up! All of you!
Bloody asses!
Together! Take this on! Like hands are accounted for.
Let's get moving!
Sap round needs to be boys.
Where are we quit, you lollygagging, and march? Aussie taking it from us now! Heads down! Tank!
Sappers,
Get
Eagles
back!
will ever be.
Head for HQ!
You want to get we're here to capture that point.
You need light infantry?
Royal Engine, stow that gear, boys. We're going. What's the task? Take cover! Better than fucking take
Enemy ground forces have claimed a sector. We're losing a victory point.
That's right.
Victory point belongs to the enemy.
Infantry closing on us!
We're losing a munitions point to enemy action. Anti-tank crews are on standby for orders. Sector overrun. The enemy has it.
Get it antsy. Welders out. Get to repair.
Ready weapons, combat patrol.
The Gaza, you're on flag duty. We'll cover. Marching!
Keep the pressure on. They only have 100 points.
The fuck was that? Oh, was that the
Territory lost.
Oh, this is it! Get it!
that's the crit shot you can sometimes get, right? I forgot about that.
Infantry! Boys have done it! Right cover! Gather, get down!
Not had orders in yonks. Sappers ready. We're not fucking...
Push up!
What's the task?
We'll
Time to
have
march,
it in
boys.
no time
Come
at
on.
all.
Sappers,
a
that
little
capture
too
point
easy,
needs to be
huh?
ours, right?
Rats here! Aussies taking
Oh, for fuck's sakes.
The beggars are threatening a victory point. Victory point lost. The enemy has control.
looking for trouble.
A section of guards has been killed.
Whatever it takes!
Smashing work. The enemy's down to only 50 points.
Behind the shield! Get back!
We're losing a victory point to enemy action. Victory point under enemy control.
Commander! Enemy tank taking an entrance! Listen, hit the fucking muzzle!
You to whoever that was, but I'm in the wars right now.
Make it quick!
Our opponent has turned tail.
Smoko, thanks for the raid, brother. I was in the battles there. Triple AT gun blob was causing me some headaches. And it's a tough problem to solve sometimes, is Brits the triple AT gun blob, because they've nerfed the performance of the bishop. So it kind of just feels like shit going for the bishop in ones these days. And as you can see, the double mortars, they're just not quite there. You know, you don't have the air burst like you do on US forces to really help knock them out. Yeah, well, he made a mistake. He just ran his AT guns forward and got killed. There was no real reason for that to happen. Yeah, I roasted his tigers. Both time he made a tiger, I managed to stun it with my foot guards and just like slam it with everything. Tanks come in from the rear, archer from the front. Just knock it out in the blink of an eye.